Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and in today's video, I will show you how to find your lost iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to an application on your iPhone. It's like an application by Apple called Find My. You have just to open it. And as you can see, this Find My app will show you the location with all of your devices. So for example, now my iPhone is with me, but if my iPhone is lost, this application will guide me to the direction. When I click directions, it will guide me to my iPhone. So like that, if you lost your iPhone, you can find it, and of course you can add like extra protection by enabling lost mode. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this